In this video, I will share our foolproof method for cleaning and eliminating grease stains. Water alone cannot remove grease because it usually does not stick to grease particles. Elbow grease may not be enough to tackle stubborn baked-on gunk on kitchen utensils. On the other hand, you could try a commercial cleaner, but what about a non-toxic natural cleaner? What about using baking soda to clean grease? Baking soda is an effective household ingredient that can eliminate grease. It can tackle dirty kitchen utensils, appliances, and surfaces. When mixed with other household cleaning solutions, the result is an even more powerful degreaser. There are a lot of ways to fight grease with baking soda. Here's a guide on how you can use them to your advantage. Now, let's answer the question: is baking soda effective for cleaning grease stains? Baking soda is an alkali, so it works effectively in cleaning grease. An alkali neutralizes acids and removes grease without much effort. In most cases, baking soda can do its magic in about 15 minutes. It will destroy grease and help remove stains on pots, pans, kitchen appliances, countertops, and even hard surfaces. How to clean grease with baking soda? If grease stains are not severe, baking soda alone can solve the problem. This method is perfect for those who clean the kitchen regularly. Follow these steps for your lightly soiled kitchen items or surfaces. Things you'll need: 1/2 cup baking soda, 3 tablespoons water, small bowl, gloves, rubber spatula, paper towel. Instructions. 1. Mix the baking soda and water to create a paste. 2. With gloves or a rubber spatula, spread the baking soda paste over the dirty area. Leave the baking soda paste for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Wipe off the paste and dirt using wet paper towels. 4. Rinse or wipe the kitchen item with water. Let it dry. Now, let's answer the question: can vinegar and baking soda clean grease? Baking soda can clean grease. But what happens when combined with vinegar? Baking soda and vinegar are both non-toxic ingredients, thus safe to use. Blended, they create a powerful combination called chemical degrease. These ingredients work to lift off stubborn grease for easy wiping. Follow these steps to clean away grease stains from your favorite kitchen items. Things you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, water, spray bottle, paper towel. Instructions. 1. Sprinkle some baking soda on the greasy area. Leave for about 15 to 20 minutes. 2. Make a 3-part water to 1-part vinegar solution and put it in the spray bottle. 3. Spray the kitchen item with the 3-to-1 water and vinegar solution. 4. Wipe the item with a wet paper towel. Let's answer the question: can lemon and baking soda clean grease? Lemon is a natural substance and can wipe away stains. But lemon and baking soda are an excellent combination for shining copper, brass, and other kitchen items with stubborn stains. The mixture provides fantastic bleaching qualities. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to utilizing this mixture properly. Things you'll need: baking soda, lemon, gloves, rubber spatula. Instructions. 1. Make a paste by mixing lemon and baking soda in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to the affected area. Use gloves or a rubber spatula for this step. Leave it for around 15 to 30 minutes. 3. Rinse or wipe away the paste from the kitchen item. 4. Cut the lemon in half for stubborn grease or stains on surfaces and dishes. Put baking soda into half a lemon. Use the lemon with baking soda like a sponge to finish cleaning the item. How to use baking soda to clean grease from utensils? While most grease stains on kitchen utensils don't need hard labor to wash, some can be challenging to scrub off. For instance, the utensils used to make curry can often collect nasty grease. The effort to get rid of these tough stains can be quite grueling. To make things easier, follow these steps to remove stubborn grease. Things you'll need: baking soda, liquid dish soap, hot water, steel wool or sponge, paper towel. Instructions. 1. Remove food residue on the utensils and throw it in the trash. 2. Use baking soda to lighten the yellowish stain. To do this, create a baking soda solution by combining 1 cup of baking soda and 2 cups of hot water. Soak the greasy or turmeric-stained utensils in the mixture. 3. To remove the stain, prepare the dishwashing liquid by diluting it in the baking soda water solution. Get the scrubber, steel wool or sponge, and scrub the dirty area gently using the mixture you made. The nasty grease or turmeric stain will come off slowly. 4. Rinse the utensils with tap water to eliminate the soapy residue. 5. Dry the utensils using a paper towel. How to clean burnt-on grease in the oven and on pots and pans using baking soda. Burnt-on grease is a common problem in ovens, pots, and pans. Don't worry, though, because baking soda cleans grease. Cleaning burnt-on grease is not always an arduous task. Here are a few approaches you need to follow to get started. Things you'll need: 3 tablespoons of baking soda, spray bottle, hot water bowl, optional, paper towel, scrubber. Instructions. 1. Put the baking soda into the spray bottle. Fill in water and shake the spray bottle well until the baking soda is dissolved. 2. Make sure to spray the mixture all over the pots, pans, and the top and sides of the oven. Leave them overnight. The next day, you will notice the grease coming off. 3. If grease persists, repeat the same process 2 times. For pots and pans, put the baking soda in a bowl or sink of hot water. Soak the pots and pans and wait until the dirt loosens. Then, scrub the dirt. 4. Wipe the inside of the oven using a wet paper towel and let it dry. Meanwhile, rinse the pots and pans well with water. Also, use a paper towel to dry them. Let's answer the question: does baking soda remove grease stains from clothes? Do you wonder whether baking soda cleans grease from clothes? Absolutely. Grease is insoluble and lipid in water. As such, an average laundry cycle may not do the magic because grease grabs the fiber or material of the clothing. But removing grease and stains will never be a problem with baking soda. Should you want to know how to remove grease from clothes, follow these steps. Things you'll need: baking soda, liquid dish soap, old towel, cardboard, toothbrush, hot water. Instructions. 1. Lay the stained clothing flat. Then, place the old towel or cardboard underneath the stain. 2. If the grease is fresh, sprinkle the baking soda on the affected area. Then, some liquid dish soap is added to cover the stain. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Using the toothbrush, scrub the dish soap or baking soda into the stain. The baking soda will change color. Afterward, remove the baking soda and apply another batch to the stained area. 4. Repeat the process until the color of the baking soda stays white and has not turned brown. 5. If the stain on the clothes is old, put more baking soda in the dirty area and cover it with dish soap. Scrub it with a toothbrush. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. 6. Wash the clothing like you usually wash it. Make sure to use the hottest water the fabric can allow. 7. Check whether the grease or stain is gone before drying the garment. So, what other household items can clean grease? Besides baking soda, vinegar, and lemon, there are other household items that you can use to clean grease. Before purchasing any costly cleaning products to clean grease, try these household products. Flour. If grease spills while cooking, clean it immediately before the problem worsens. An easy and very effective remedy is sprinkling flour over the spill. Allow the flour to sit, then wipe it up later. Dish soap. How about when grease splatters on your clothing and you don't have time to wash it? Or how can you get rid of grease stains from your favorite tablecloth quickly? Well, squirt a little amount of dish soap on it. Once you have time to wash them, use cold water. Salt and rubbing alcohol. So, you already know how to remove grease stains from a shirt. How about when grease drips on a rug or carpet? Use a mixture of salt and rubbing alcohol to clean and remove it. Apply the mixture to the dirty area. Once the grease is gone and the material is dry, vacuum up the salt residue. Conclusion. Again, baking soda cleans grease on your stovetop, oven, and kitchen utensils. After all, it is an alkali and a base, so it works as a cleaner for acidic substances. It can also clean grease stains on clothes. In some situations, you may need to add a household product like vinegar, lemon, or dish soap to baking soda to effectively remove grease. Or if you are out of baking soda, use flour or salt and rubbing alcohol to remove grease. Hence, never worry about grease stains on your kitchen items or cotton. By following our guide, you will be able to clean away grease in your home. If you want to learn how to use baking soda to clean other places in your house, watch the video above. And I want to leave you with this question. What's your favorite way to clean grease stains? Let me know in the comments below.